What a thrill to have the Nashville Area Chamber of Commerce with us here at Collision Conference. At the York Region booth, of course, we're joined by Carlie, who made the trek, her first time in Canada, if I'm not mistaken.
That's right, it is.
You're having a good visit so far?
Toronto is an awesome city. Excited to be here.
I know they say southern hospitality, but hopefully the northern hospitality is good too.
Yes, so far so good.
Please tell us a bit about your work and your connection to York Region.
I am the Director of Economic Development at the Nashville Area Chamber of Commerce, and I was connected to the York region in April. We hosted the Selectors Guild, so a big economic development conference in Nashville, and the York region reached out hoping to learn a little bit more about how we do economic development in Nashville, trade, some secrets of the trade of economic development. So we met in Nashville, showed them the city, had a great conversation, and that's how we were connected.
Love that. Are there any similarities between York region and the Nashville area? I would think that tourism is a much bigger part of your industry, if I'm not mistaken.
That's right. Of course, Music City, there is tourism and the hospitality piece, but we also focus on healthcare, advanced manufacturing. Tech is growing, and so we spoke a lot about tech with the York region and attracting those companies as we work to expand our economies.
Awesome. Yeah, I'm a geek, so I'm a techie. I wanted to ask about the startup scene in Tennessee and in the Nashville area. Is there one? Is there a thriving one that I'm not yet aware of?
There is indeed. So tech is growing in Nashville. Right now it's about an $8 billion direct economic impact.
Wow.
Absolutely. So we've seen a lot of activity from some major players in the tech space. So Amazon has almost 3,000 employees downtown in their center of excellence. Oracle recently announced that they're adding 8,000 jobs to the East Bank and a campus there. So a lot of big players like Asurion has their headquarters in Nashville. But because of that, we're also seeing the startup scene grow as well. So we work very closely with our Entrepreneur Center, Launch Tennessee, that helps connect startups with capital and those entities to help grow that foundation. Because we know that as we attract these big names, it's also vital that we grow the foundation and attract startups as well.
Love that. And how's it been so far with your connection with York Region? Are you learning anything from the partnership? I know it's a young one at this point, but what are you most excited about getting out of this partnership or relationship with York Region?
So far, it's been very, very helpful. It's always nice to compare plans. We're both regional entities, so getting to know, we have a strategic economic development strategy in the Nashville area. So it's our 5-year economic development plan. It's a public-private collaboration amongst some government officials, private entities. So we've spoken a lot about that and how the York region can benefit from knowing what we do and our plan to what they do. So we're just excited to have those cross-international connections to work together and hopefully do business together.
Well, I hope so. It sounds very promising. Is there a website that our viewers can learn more about your work and the region as well?
Absolutely. So the NashvilleChamber.com is our website. Please feel free to visit that. Lots of good information, or reach out to me, Carlie Vowell. My website, or my information's on the website.
All right, Carlie, great to chat with you. Have a great rest of your show and safe travels back to Nashville.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.